Marty here with the Diamond H channel on YouTube. Today I'm at Anderson Tractor Sales in Carthage, Texas, visiting with my friends. This is the first time I've been here since I bought my new tractor, my TYM T474, over 2 years ago. Today is the first day I stepped on the premises. Anderson Tractor Sales have got the world's best customer service. They treat you like family, and probably even better than your family. Call them for all your needs. They have everything you need for outdoor maintenance, from tractors, string trimmers, lawn mowers, and everything to keep them running correctly. Most of it is in stock. Give them a call today,